If you ever wondered
I have.
how sticky
Oh.
a jar can get, stay tuned, you'll find out.
Welcome to Comment Cocktail. Stanley and Derek can make for you the written word. It's like the last word, but different.
Or the final word.
Or the final word, or the last of the Oaxacans.
Or the...
Yeah, all of those last and plays on the last word. This one is another one. 3/4 ounce of all the things.
So sharp.
It is
Did
sharp.
I cut it?
I would hope it can cut a line.
So sharp.
It should be able to cut a line or a human.
Can I cut a piece of paper like this
Yeah.
on TV?
So I have a knife sharpener and I can do that too. Well, a knife sharpener
impressed.
itself doesn't, but when you I'm
I'm bringing my knives. Oh, you ain't gonna get that in there. You're not gonna get that in there. You are not getting a lot of juice out of that.
It's because he's going slow, right?
Come on, do it. Do it.
It's pooling up in here, too.
Do
There's a
it.
lot of juice in the cup.
Oh, you gotta squeeze it.
Whoa, yeah, there it goes.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, don't be afraid. Oh shit! You got too much.
Whoa, how much
Just
you put
enough?
in there? Oh no, that's a 3/4 ounce.
3/4 ounce, right? 3/4 ounce.
Yeah, they're all 3/4 ounce, and that's a 3/4 ounce measure, so he's good.
So we got
3/4 ounce of all of the things.
Of what?
Dry gin, green chartreuse, triple sec, and lime juice. Only drink of the month that uses lime juice. And
We're not gonna say why,
well, I didn't say why.
but
I somebody didn't bring my fruits, but
I think we just said why.
somebody. I didn't point to anybody. This has the triple sec. Triple sec. We're gonna use orange curacao, dry orange curacao, because it's like the best.
How is this
That's
already
so good.
sticky?
Because that's what
we used it like
all the times.
yeah.
But this is like a new bottle. It's like there's this much gone.
Well, it gets.
Well, look at it. Well, you're the one that makes drinks all the time. So why are you making that messy?
Yeah.
Right.
All that you have to do is clean the
Right?
top. If you
Yeah.
don't clean the top on the first time, it's going to be sticky on the first use.
He's complaining about it, and he's the one that opens and closes them all.
I understand. I didn't see.
Trust
him
me,
clean
I
it
haven't
off.
opened a bottle all night.
Right, we just watching you.
But that's the first
Yeah.
time we used that.
But, yeah,
But the last time we used it, you used it.
right.
I don't know about that. I don't know if I'd make it that messy.
I feel like
Oh, it's got like
I feel
fingerprints
like-
all over
I
it.
feel like-
look at that.
I feel like you did. The difference between the last word,
now.
the last word
Very first
versus
thing
the
it was
written word, the difference is that we're using the dry curacao instead of a maraschino liqueur. Love maraschino liqueur, but sometimes you want to try something different. So we're doing the written word. It's
Have we
written-
had this before?
No.
Do we have a fine strainer?
Oh.
I'm gonna go according to the
Yes?
directions. Yeah.
Fine strain, because you don't want any of those ice chips in there.
You want the lemon bits?
Hey,
Fine
buddy.
bits.
That's
Yeah.
true. Look at that.
There
like
we
a
go.
pro. He's even moving stuff out of the way so the camera gets the
Wow,
shot.
see?
Not only is a pro, he's like a producer or like a director or maybe just somebody who knows how to use a camera.
Have a look at the camera.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's green. It looks just like a last word.
Looks like I'm gonna drink it.
Yep. We definitely hit the record of how many drinks can you make with herbaceous flavors this
We are herbaceous.
That looks like milky green, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks like absinthe.
Yeah.
Like a green absinthe that's been loosed.
Loosed.
Loosed the absinthe. Does that look
Loose
good?
it.
Oh, good.
Don't lose it.
That is line forward.
Derek does that.
Hold on.
We just want Dan to put it in his face hole
You got
first.
it.
I don't.
I want to blow on it like it's hot.
I wanted to make sure I didn't give any I don't want to confirm his information to give him a bias. So I just pointed.
Oh, it is limey.
It is. I think it's because of that lime squeeze. Because it's a huge lime squeeze.
Good though.
It's,
You know
it
what
tastes
it is?
lime.
You know why
I think
it's
it
slimy?
tastes like orange.
Is it because of all the lime?
No.
No, couldn't possibly.
It's because this is the first drink we've had that
With juice?
actually has citrus in it. And
So
we
our
are
mouths
not
aren't used
ready
to it.
for it. If we were to sit down and drill through a bunch of tiki drinks, we made that, it would be the booziest freaking thing you can do.
What
But-
we should have done is like lick the lime first.
Yeah, to,
And then,
to
yeah.
cleanse our palate and
Yes.
neutralize it to the acidity and the malic acids of the lime.
Yes.
I don't taste much chartreuse.
It's hiding behind the line.
That is because the chartreuse martini
And the
was such
curacao.
impactful to you that you had that chartreuse experience that you're expecting the same experience.
Yeah, now I'm like missing it.
Yeah,
It's in there.
it's there.
It's there.
You gotta look
Kind
around.
of bummed.
It's kind of playing around
It's
in the
not there
background.
anymore.
You'd think it would be more given the
Right?
equal.
Yeah, there's a
portion
lot of everything.
Yeah.
And lime being the least. Well, no, least like potency in boozy flavor. Like lime doesn't have any.
Yeah, I mean, you
so
taste it
But
mixed
it's
in
the
with like
most
the
acidic,
lime.
so,
It is the most and only acidic product in here.
yes.
I think. I don't think dry chartreuse.
Dry curacao. maybe
Dry
a little bit.
curacao. Green chartreuse. Are neither of those are really acidic.
The dry curacao comes across.
It's a little sweet too.
That's from the orange.
Yeah,
Which is a strong liquor. It's not a sweet
Yeah.
liquor.
Well, you can taste
I mean,
this.
it's
It kind
sweet, but
of
it's-
gives it.
It's very strong.
Yes.
it's got character to it.
The gin.
We've used this gin for all the drinks that were gin based, and
and
it
you
is
can't taste anything.
no. And this is one of the better gins that we've ranked in blind tastes.
You
So,
cannot
get
taste
yourself bulldog.
any gin.
No, I can't taste any gin. I taste lime, chartreuse, and maybe curacao
I taste the curacao, lime, and then the chartreuse.
I get
in that
the-
order.
I get the lime, chartreuse, then curacao.
Yeah, that's
See,
what I was
I
gonna
get
say.
the orange before the chartreuse.
No, you're wrong. No, actually,
Hold on, let me see.
no, maybe-
Taste
I
taste
can
the
see, I can
curacao
see.
on its own.
It almost has like, for a
After you
few
taste
seconds,
that.
it almost has like an orange peel taste. Like that second quarter is like orange peel. I can see it.
You might be right.
Changes things happen.
Oh, he's gonna dirty your. He's gonna dirty
Yeah,
the lip.
It's okay. I'm gonna wash that off before.
He's gonna clean that one, and then that way he'll forget, and then he'll be like, "This thing came off really easy next time. I wonder who cleaned this so nicely."
You think I'm gonna forget?
Oh, you're
It's
right.
like-
That might be at the end. That's not on.
So your brain is getting it in the wrong order.
Well, I just wanted to let you know.
Appreciate that.
So if you like something that's
like
got
all
lime
that
flavor,
down, too.
it's like
Can I?
it's like the martini. It's
Keep
like a
rubbing it.
chartreuse. It's like a chartreuse martini with more lime.
No, the chartreuse martini, you could really taste the chartreuse in that.
Yeah, this has got like a tart flavor to it.
This, you don't have any like that, the absinthe,
It's true.
taste
You're
to this.
not getting any black
Yeah.
licorice, even though the core ingredients are kind of the same as what we've had. That has had black licorice. So you got that going for you.
Which is nice.
It's good.
It's nice.
Actually, I like this.
Yeah,
I wouldn't drink like a bunch of them,
because it's
but it's like,
It depends on what you had before. Like, it depends on the seasonality. Like, in the summertime, we have so many lime-based drinks.
Yeah.
I think this would just fall right in and it would almost be diluted.
yeah.
But we have had no lime or citrus for basically 2 filmings. It's wintertime. Everybody's drinking, like, bourbons and, like, hardcore substances. Not like lines of Coke.
Hearty stuff.
But, like,
Hearty flavors.
hearty flavored bourbons and whiskeys and gins that having lime is a little jarring to the senses. Merry freaking Christmas.
I mean, there's some lime in there.
Yeah.
That's a good New Year's cocktail, I bet.
It would be, except for this is going out in like
This is a good, like,
26th of January. But
For next year, 11 months from now,
So save it.
save it.
yeah,
it's a good, like, start of the night drink.
yeah. Before you get into shots of tequila,
You don't want to end the night with that because then you'll end the night with another and then you'll wake up.
But if you want something, like, light, though, like, you're like, I kind of want, like, a margarita, but I don't want a margarita. Like, I don't want tequila.
you want a hardcore margarita because it's got like
Yeah, you want to step it up.
margaritas. Yeah. Anytime you put chartreuse in something, you're stepping it up. Because like first off, you
Really got a whole nother level.
$65.
And then
Yeah.
use the good,
Yeah.
just use good ingredients all around because this
Yeah.
stuff's really good too.
This is a very expensive cocktail,
yeah.
I think. When you put
Well, this
I
is-
think if
this
you
is
just
what,
use, like,
25 bucks a
crappy
bottle or
triple
something?
sec, though,
Yeah, probably.
I think it...
yeah, if you do like a $6 triple
This is
sec,
like 60
Yeah.
bucks a bottle.
65, yeah.
Yeah.
And that's in New Hampshire. It's
That's
probably
because
cheap.
monks make it.
Yeah. When you got monks involved,
Monks got to eat.
Yeah.
right. And how else are they going to learn to karate kick?
When you don't talk to anybody...
Right.
You can charge whatever the hell you want.
Yeah, I mean, that's...
You're
they
like
don't-
a king negotiator. How much is it? 65 bucks? Here you go.
The awkward silence sells.
Oh, yes.
All right. Sidebar. Videos over there. Probably gin based. Something. Maybe chartreuse. I don't know, maybe your favorite? I don't know. Down below, bartender starter drink from OzDrinks.com. Before you do all those things, hit the subscribe button so you get more videos from us. That's it! We're T-Shad Rick.